Hi there. In an update being rolled out to accounts in Google, NotebookLM now has featured notebooks created by others on specific subjects. You'll see them here at the top in the featured notebook sections. You can also click on this element that says featured notebooks in order to see all of the notebooks as of the recording of this video. You can then click on See All. Now these notebooks are the same as those being created by individuals that use NotebookLM. For example, we can click inside of one of these notebooks, and what you'll see is that you can chat with the sources. Here on the left side menu, you can sort for the sources that you want to chat with by clicking on Select Sources, or select all the sources if you want to chat with all of them. If what you want to do is type a note, you can write in a note, and you can type in your query, and NotebookLM will then seek to answer the question based on its understanding of the sources that you have. Those that you have selected either in compilation or if you have selected them one at a time. Now, because the notebook is shared, you won't be able to add new notes. However, you can copy the information and you can move it to your favorite word processing software. You will see that there is an audio element that has been produced. You can load that audio overview. You can also chat with that audio overview in real time by clicking on Interactive Beta. You can also look at a mind map that has been created, and you can interact with any of these specifics inside of the mind map. There you have it, and I will see you in another video.